Hello, my name is Jessica and today I'll be showing you our Bushnell Phantom, which is available in black, blue, green and red. In the box you will find a manual, a charger, Phantom and its magnetic clip. Once you have opened your Phantom GPS, please remember to remove the sticker on top of the screen. Then you can connect the device to your computer. Plug this into your computer and make sure to connect your magnetic clip. Once you have opened your Neo Phantom, please make sure to disable the auto off option. Please go to Settings, Auto Off and select Disabled. To adjust the date and time, please go to Settings, down to Time and Date, Set Time by GPS. Please make sure you're outside when selecting by GPS. When the clocks go back or forward, please go to Settings, Time and Date, Daylight, and either select +1 or -1. If you would like to adjust yards or meters, please go to Settings, Set Units and select either yards or meters.